Hey everybody, I'm Rob Byron, product manager here at Vaddio. Today I am excited to talk to you guys about the 1.5 release of Vaddio Deployment Tool. We got a bunch of exciting features in here and one that I think you'll particularly like. Let's go ahead and get into it. Starting off with a nice clean installation, I like to start off by finding some devices, of course, and you'll find this one is a little bit different. Now, if you have multiple interfaces on your laptop or other computing device, you'll be able to notice that you'll be able to scan by network. So I can go ahead and click a default scan on the interface of my selection, and we'll go ahead and find some of the cameras within my office. Now, for my favorite new feature is the video preview in application. That's right, you'll see a little play button over here for all of the devices for which I have properly authenticated, of course. So if I click play, you'll watch, and now you will be able to get a video preview stream in your application. So if I want to, I can go ahead and, what's this? I'm getting a call of some sort. I need to go ahead and look at the training room, fix it. Something's wrong with the RoboFlip. Better take a look. Let's go ahead and go to the Venetian Training Room Matrix Mix, which is the device in question. Go ahead and play this and see what they're looking at. Oh, well, it looks like one of the devices is blue screen. Let's go ahead and look into the interface and see what's going on. So if I click that, it popped open another window. I'm going to go ahead and drag that to the side here, keep the preview window open, and I'm going to go ahead and, let's see, it looks like the RoboFlip is on standby. So if I go ahead and take that out of standby, we should be able to watch it. Oh, there, it rolled out of the ceiling, and its camera came back online. Oh, what's that, phone? You're good now? Cool. All right, look at that. But all joking aside, you are able to use this to preview streams, open up the user interface, go side by side, and resolve issues in line without ever leaving the application. So this allows you to do things like, I could actually run a decent control scheme out of this, depending on your network, of course. But you can watch it live, the nice RoboFlip there, which is one of my favorites, and do pretty much a control system right here. So, it's a very good addition to be able to debug your deployments, to be able to do some remote management, and it's a feature that we have wanted for a long, long time. So I'm happy we're getting it done. Very, very awesome development team to be working with, and they did an excellent job getting this feature in. So hopefully you're excited too. There are a couple other exciting features in this release as well. We have been focusing a lot on being able to do mass configuration updates. So if we go in here, you have some options such as the capacity to do security changes. So if I did want to turn off HTTP or Telnet sessions, you can do that in mass. So you can go ahead and make sure that your entire installation has the same security settings, whether it's auto-expiring the logins on the devices, guest access, DNSSD, or of course the beta for the VSCO over IP feature. So you can control all those. So if I really wanted to, for whatever reason, disable guest access, I can go in here and change security settings and turn guest access off. So now guests cannot access those devices. But I'm going to go ahead and change it back because I don't want to mess with anybody's stuff here at the office. So turn it back on. Just as easy as that. So no problem. Works a lot like our other stuff, being able to filter by IP address or the other information you have access to here, and it's reachable through the device page as well. In addition to that, we also have the networking page. So this allows us to change many of the common networking items you would like to change from a single interface. So if I go in here, I can do some more things like turn automatic NTP updating off, or I could change the server. So let's go ahead and change the server and the time zone so that all of these are pointing to the correct the correct time zones, and save that. So now you'll see these all changed over to the correct information, and we are good to go. So that is a good example of some of the basic information you can change here. Of course, you also have the ability to change the subnet mask, gateway, the DNS server you're dealing with, depending on your configuration, whether you're static or DHCP. So it makes your life a little bit easier. In addition to that, we have also been working on performance. So those of you with large installations should see a noticeable performance improvement based on some of the backend that we're working with here and optimizations that we have made throughout. This represents the bulk of what we have been doing, and we will continue to look at your feedback. So we hope that you notice that we're taking that to account and rolling that in, and hopefully hopefully you'll find this release as exciting as I do. So again, thank you very much for looking at release 1.5, and please keep that feedback coming so we can keep the tool working for you. Thanks.